Hi guys, I'm here with another Louis Vuitton unboxing for you today. This is an item that I actually found online. It is a really hard to get item, as you guys will be able to see when I take it out. But I was lucky enough to find it online. I stalk the website very frequently, so I was able to place it in my cart one night and I was able to check out. That's how I got my hand on this really hard to find item. I'm absolutely in love with it. I've taken it out already, but I did place it back in the box just so I can do a little unboxing for you guys. This is the size of the box. It is quite big for what it is, but yeah. And I did get it online, like I said. It didn't come with any ribbon or anything, but I was fine with that. So yeah, let's just get started here. I love these fold over boxes, and here's the dust bag. Just a nice clean dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton across the front. Take that out. In the box, all it came with was the holder for the receipt. And it came with just a little like gift receipt and my exchange and return receipt. Here it is. Okay, that was kind of a struggle to take out, but it is the Pochette Metis in the monogram print. She's so pretty. I know people have had problems with this bag in the past, but to my knowledge, they've fixed all the problems with the bag. I know there were some glazing issues, and some people have had issues with this not being even, but I think mine turned out okay. Has the plastic wrap at the front, nice gold hardware, clean canvas. This is the back. Straps inside the bag. This is the inside of the bag. Just comes with a little card, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Really pretty. I'm really happy with this bag. Oh. Let me just show it with the strap on. Give me one sec. Okay, so this is the bag with the strap on. It is adjustable, and I also like that it is not made out of leather, just so I can be a little bit more carefree with it, because I know the vachetta is a little bit high maintenance. So yeah, just kind of gives me peace of mind when using the bag, because I know I'm going to be holding on to it with this a lot. I know there are going to be like a few times where I will like grab this, but hopefully not too much, so I'll be careful with it. But yeah, and I love how it's adjustable because I am shorter, so I was able to put it on the shortest and it hit my hip, so it was perfect. But yeah. Yes, so overall I am really happy with it. Hoping I don't run into any issues with it, but yes, I did hear that all the issues were fixed with this bag, and it is really a very classic bag that I think will be kind of timeless. I'm very lucky to have gotten a hold of it, so really thankful for that. And yeah.